I always change the oil at the end of the season, which will be this time of year. So I use the recommended 10W30 motor oil. This is Valvoline. I picked it up from a local auto parts store. And then I have a little siphon that I'll use I'll show you how to do it. It's a no mess oil change. So I'll show you how to change your oil in your gas pressure washer without making a mess. Now to change the oil, I try and do as neat a job as possible with the least amount of mess. So I picked up this little, you can see it, it's called a fluid extractor. It's 200 cc. It's like a little syringe, but instead of draining the oil and making a mess, I just pull it out. Let me see if I can put it together here. Yeah, so this just pops in there. It's nice and snug. Pop the end off here. And so what I'll do is take the oil plug off. Still pretty clean. Let me put it up here. And then I have a little container that I'll use. And let me pull this out of the way. So what you do is you just suck it out. Super simple oil change. Don't want it to drip on anything. So we'll just put it in there. And try it again, see if there's any oil in there. Uh-oh, got a drop. Don't want that to happen. Hope I'm not blocking. Try one more time here. So what I'll do next, I'll open up a bottle of oil. In the older days, it used to be called a can of oil, but now we don't have cans, we have bottles. So we got a couple drops here. Ah. I'll look in there and see how it's going. So we'll have more to go. Okay. So I filled it to where it's slightly overflowing. Let me balance this thing here. I overfilled it a little bit. That's okay. Try and get a better picture with my camera. If you look in there, you can see it's about filled up. So it's pretty good. So I will screw this in. Let's see what it says oil level is. If I get anything to cooperate with me today. There it goes. Now it's cooperating. That's a little, it is a little full. Let me suck some out. Let me get rid of some of that oil. Try that, see if that looks a little bit better. Still a little bit high. We'll pull a little bit more out. So we got it full. Perfect. I don't know if you can see this, but on the dipstick, you can see the oil level is right at the top. It's wet right at that top line. It's dry right above it, so it's perfectly filled. And that's how you check your oil level. You've got H for high, L for low, and we're right at the high. So we're dead there, right there, perfect. Couldn't have asked for better oil fill. So that is my way to do a relatively no mess oil change on my gas blower. So now my blower is, I'm sorry, gas pressure washer. Now my pressure washer is totally winterized with a change of oil for next season, and so I should be good to go. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope something good happens to you today. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, if you've gotten this far, I'd appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As I go through my chores and work around the house, I do different videos on different projects and different things that I do. I do home repair. Also, I work on my Jeeps and a little bit of everything. But thanks again for watching my videos, and I hope you have a great day.